Get everybody to Rea'Nay EP19.
Yeah, it's your boy Adroit.
Yo, this is Romeo the Great White.
Your boy Watoni aka the B-Town
Hey, yo,
man.
what's poppin', man? It's your boy Big Robs, and you're watching Van Rap Late.
Late Night Show.
Late Night Show.
It's Van Rap Late Night Show.
Hinda ndikunitanganedza ka Van Rap Late Night Show na zero wafala kanji tichimlindi ndothe ndichimla na TN ndi mthanga onolenga vukuma sangamisi mara aona thaidzo ndi ḓo soko tenda uri ndi
Ahuna ndengwa ndi gwindi fedzi marukhu amagonani.
Okay, cool. Ndikunitamela Adroit achiri like a star. Rea'Nay Adroit na musi Van Rap Late Night Show songo wango share, songo wango comment, songo wango reactor zwi important nga manda ka show na share vanji vha ḓo kona u ivona ngori kha page dzi da slow nga manda dzi views mara astaizo ḓo kondaela ri ḓo gonya nadzo, so ni share ite dzi watch party zwoṱhe zwone kho itiwa. Adroit achiri like a star.
Man, I'm feeling like a star tonight. I'll be shining so bright up in the sky. Damn, I'm feeling like a star tonight. I got my mind on my money, working so hard. I gotta work so hard. Cause I'm feeling like a star. I'll be shining so bright. I gotta work so hard. Cause I'm feeling like a star. I'll be shining so bright. My mama need a grip, I gotta hustle hard. Woke up early in the morning, get the freshest cake. I've come a long way just to make it here. My mama told me never forget where you come from. My daddy told me never waste your money, invest, boy. My grandmama told me never waste your time, boy. I used to feel like a star, I'm a super one. Now they see me standing tall on the rooftop. It's funny now they started tweeting on my wall page, cause they see me grinding hard on my J.O.B. Spirit of a vendor, hustle, I'm putting hard work. When it's summertime, I make these niggas say me more. I'm feeling like a star tonight. I'll be shining so bright up in the sky. Damn, I'm feeling like a star tonight. I got my mind on my money, working so hard. I gotta work so hard. Cause I'm feeling like a star. I'll be shining so bright. I gotta work so hard. Cause I'm feeling like a star. I'll be shining so bright. From nobody, from the streets to that somebody. From nothing to something, now I got something.
Hey.
Pockets full of dreams, counting blessings every day. I'm young and ambitious, damn, I'm ready for the work. I'm shining so bright, I piss my haters off. They don't wanna see me living life that I wanna live. I swear to God, I'm digging diamond every day. That's why I never sleep, cause I'm feeling like a star. I be shining so bright, cause I'm putting work. I pray for my enemies, see me living dreams. I hope they die broke, I'm busy counting all my blessings. Cause I'm feeling like a star, you can make a wish. Man, I'm feeling like a star tonight. I be shining so bright up in the sky. Damn, I'm feeling like a star tonight. I got my mind on my money, working so hard. I gotta work so hard. Cause I'm feeling like a star. I be shining so bright. I gotta work so hard. Cause I'm feeling like a star. I be shining so bright. I'm feeling like a star tonight. I be shining so bright up in the sky. Damn, I'm feeling like a star tonight.
Let's get everybody to Rea'Nay EP19.
Yeah, it's your boy Adroit.
Yo, this is Romeo the Great White.
Your boy Watoni aka the B-Town
Hey, yo,
man.
what's poppin', man? It's your boy Big Robs, and you're watching Van Rap Late.
Late Night Show.
Late Night Show.
It's Van Rap
Late Night Show. Yenda ndikoda kufuna ntanedza futi rovili ndonibuza ndari ndi zero wafala atichimli ndothe chimla na TN akadi tidizwera kaditanu marai oswika ndoni dza khasho oswika TN ndikola nyazi ndiva zuri walenga oswika umuna mara ahuna thaidzo. Adroit ri naye futhi naye ndo ni vhudza nda ri na Adroit vanzhi vha vha khou amba vha ri Adroit zwino a tshi ngo koto vhuya no ha koto vhuya arali na zwihumbula last time a tshi ḓa o vha a khou ḓiswa nga nṱhani ha zwe zwa zwi khou itea kana zwe zwa itea hu tshi pfhi Adroit busy u khou skema vhathu kha Facebook nga hangeini nga account ya Phyll. So that's why zwino a khou vhuya zwino o ḓela uri ambe nga music wawe na zwiṅwe zwithu zwinzhi zwine a vha a busy nazwo kha hetsho namusi mani ndi ite so ngo rali uri Adroit a nambe ave na riṋe ngo ṱavhanya. Adroit
nda
urina
nṋe ndi yone man ndi vhusakeyo Khomzero.
hai na nṋe ndi yone man ndi khou zama u itela uri ni ite uri ndi ni vhonadze zwavhuḓi hafha zwithu zwi ri tshimbilele. Okay tonga ri zwino ni khou vhonala zwino ni khou vhonala tonga ri zwino refresh zwino ni nga to tsima tone kana vibrate or something kha founu hafho uri zwi ri tshimbilele. Okay. Na zo dzudzanya zo kwakwana. Okay, cool. Adroit ndiko to dovha hafhu futhi ndiko ni ṱanganedza futhi ka VLNS Late Night Show ri khou livha uri ri na ini ṋamusi hafha.
Nṋe ndi khou livha u ḓiswa kha show man Khomzero ndi zwithu zwavhuḓi nga maanḓa man kale ri khou nyanga uri swike so finally we are here.
Yeah ndi zwone. Okay, cool. Nda ndo tamba luimbo lwa hafha lupfi like a star kha kunwalele hafha noni a ungo ṅwaliwa zwiṅwe zwithu soko ngono pfi like a star so ndi luimbo lwa nini othulu.
Ndo vha ndi ndoṱhe hafha.
Okay, cool. Ahuna thaidzo. Okay, cool. So kha vhathu vhoṱhe na vhathu nje akuvhudzisa uri Adroit ndi nnyi, Adroit wa gai, like ndi mbuso dzoṱhe dzene dzo ḓowelea dzene vhathu vha funa bado vhudzisa vhaṅwe vha khou tou vhudzisa ngo tori vha kona u vhudzisa vhaṅwe vha khou vhudzisa ngori vele zwi khou bva miloni a vha ḓivhi uri Adroit ndi nnyi. So kha vha sa ḓivhi Adroit ndi muthu ane khou vhonala gai, u busy na mini, u itani zwavhuḓi besides uri u busy na mini, u itani, u vhonala gai?
Adroit beats dzina ḽawe ḽa vhukuma ndi Mutshutshu Mphaphuli. Ndi muthu ane vha uri o bebelwa Venḓa kha kushango no pfhi Madombija.
Tene u kwamba
uri mini
Adroit ne ri mini na bra.
Okay, Tene u do generate cause arali asiya hapo Tene anga si pfale. Mara pesa zwino ni kwamba ndi do mutalisha dzi Tene.
Nda ndi kwamba uri Adroit ndi muthu no pfhi Mutshutshu Mphaphuli na vhori o bebelwa Madombija nga 1993 nga 28 dza August. So na zwino so ndi dzula Madombija ndi yone na vhori business yanga ivha yone henefho na studio changa and everything na family yanga. So nṋe ndi wanala ya Madombija zone 2.
Okay, cool. Ni tshi zwi amba ngora
ngafho ndi thome ndi to vhudzisa Adroit something.
Okay, cool. So ni tshi zwi amba ngora ri ni tshi ri na family yanga ndi sikufunga ni kwamba family ndi family. Abe wasa to vhudzisa onga mangala ri mwana tamsi u ḓi na family u ḓi dzula na vhana vhararu na vhana na vhaṱanu ngoralo Tene uri khou ṱoḓa ni vhudzisa hafha iṅwe mbudziso irani ari vhudzise ngoralo.
Ne ri mini na munna?
Nṋe ndi fresh man ndi vhusakeyo Mathian.
Nṋe ndi sharp badi mabra. Hey habe ri tshi ḓa kha vhathu vhane vha
Tene sound ya mi korasa
vhathu vhane vha shumana na music hafha yani vha na maṅwe madzina a holy badi nda sa zwo ri ni pfhi Mutshutshu mamunna. Mutshutshu mara arali ni tshi khou pfonga ndo ni expose nṋe ndi pfhi takalani mamunna.
Ifa ndo to zwi amba uri dzina ndi nnyi.
Mara ri khou livhuwa nṋe na vhaṅwe vhathu vhane ra ri sa zwiḓivhi ri vho zwiḓivha ṋamusi zwa ri Adroit beats upfi muchuchu mara zvino la Adroit beats la dza lichikobva gai?
Adroit beats neadzoro oita mini na. It was back in 2010, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, dadi Northwest Rustenburg nge. So ndachidividzanga kunkudziena konofi Swiss what anenge.
Zvetinosikera one muthu atori what kadzina le ava achidividza lone utovatikudiva
asikona dze kale ambiri dzina zvisiya zvacho zvichachimba the way.
No, Lifestofi Swiss zvava zvapera nepo. Ngozvibona.
Obviously Swiss lingadola kubva ka Swiss beat kana gege, but it's fine. Aringabi chicho.
Ngorogwedwa beat.
Ngorogwedwa beat, but aringabi chicho pesana.
Sure. So avori ukadibana mi-Mexit, ukadibana iswa zi-Mexit izvi. So zinalanga la Mexit Adroit, yachitova Adroit. Beats.
Not that lichikobva gai Adroit.
Adroit zvabdiloda ndabana ningobana nikazi Adroit zviyamba muthu anavori skillful using your mind and your hands. Asi Android inoni vambiza yone. Android
ati tinzorina ne-Android but vakuiona guy because nendichivala tikuuya ndaona ene yachitu like achiona Android so nane ndichingakona uvudzisa kuti vanhu vomwe lori Android like vatorivuudza kana vavhereka garo re uvu kuiti hani chimwe lori Android muthu
unosenderesa naAndroid dzina lawe ndingazvo vathu vachimuvidza Android serious.
Mara Adroit akadzitaridza dzina lawo maronga network haiva navashi madomijas kuchimbira mara rikadhiva kaleloi like the views ndikodzivaona dzikuchimbira zvakudzinga mandani songwango reactor
zvazvino so rondera Adroit achivuya vathu note nokotayira komurori nive nichikorwashe nichikolike nichikoreact zvazvino so rondera Adroit achivuya komurori nive nikoshare.
Yo, this is Romeo the Great White.
Your boy Watoni aka the B-Town.
Yo, what's poppin', man? It's your boy Big Robs, and you're watching Van Rap Late
Night Show.
Late Night Show.
It's Van Rap Late Night Show.
Cool. So okay, Adroit arisedzororiche naye na cause atichatomuvona the way yafa. Okay, mara okay, ndambarata rwimbo uri veni kupfa muvhango wa Adroit uri Adroit ene ndi muimbide naone uita zvithu de rikatidojena khazvo ezvo zvithu mara rwimbo rwawe rwoimanga nendira rupfi recovery featuring Romeo the Great White producer ene mune Adroit ko rwimbo.
I've been battered and bruised. This a time running a tear. Couldn't believe that I made it. This is my recovery. Better days are about to follow me forever. I'm building a better man. This is my recovery. Ain't no greatness without some misery. I'm building a better man. This is my recovery.
I used to tell myself I know the pain and the struggle. Till the day I had to struggle fighting for my life. Ain't I call my mama praying, please God don't take him. Hit my hood, they were waiting for my funeral. They were hoping and praying for my downfall. I was losing breath, they were catching feelings. All the pains when a car crashed, broken glasses dripping through my face. I saw my life flash in front of me. God is great. I'm the living proof. They wanna see me by the grave. I'm the testimony. Still they hate it when I preach. I can never thank God for bringing back my life. That's why I wake up in the morning screaming God is great. I made myself my own boss, now I call the shots. I keep my cycle small, I don't wanna count the favors. It's black on black, I'm back on track, I'm feeling so godly. God is great. I've been battered and bruised. This a time running at I made it. Couldn't believe that I made it. This is my recovery. Better days are about to follow me forever. I'm building a better me. This is my recovery. Ain't no greatness without some misery. Oh, I'm building a better me. This is my recovery. My recovery's been a bliss, yeah, thank you, Jesus. I could be no more here, mama would be devastated. She's been praying every day and I'm like, where would it be? If I lost him, thank you, Jesus, yeah, for bringing back. I felt the pain when mama felt when she was giving back. In a coma, fighting for my life, she was praying. On her knees, no happiness, only pains and sorrows. It's like the world was in her shoulders and the universe. Nobody came through from my mama, only brothers and the people that I live with. Family members, they were celebrating, busy toasting. I was fighting for my life, they were happy, bro. When they had I made it, everybody was pissed off. Better days are coming, feeling like I'm Chris Paul. Mama made it, don't you worry, cause I'm here now. Woke up in the morning screaming, God is great, God is great. I've been battered and bruised. This a time running at chill. I couldn't believe that I made it. This is my recovery. Better days are about to follow me forever. I'm building a better me. This is my recovery. Ain't no greatness without some misery. Oh, I'm building a better me. This is my recovery. Better days are about to follow me forever. I'm building a better me. This is my recovery.
It's Vendrep Late Night Show. Rana Zero Afara na hela out ya chilamba.
Okay, cool. Lorada. Okay, Adroit romo dukono rivena ya futi. Okay, cool. Dunamada janaka komente. Adroit ache onwa madi na nena msi atina gwini ndikoto onwa madi page ma ofi gwini lidondwaza mara domega ser venalo azikona zeni azdonika Vendrep Late Night Show aona tombo lono saka nthali imwe ngoralo. Okay, zikomende ziko jana ziko GeForce Godfrey Makado. Hey, who it yana? Okay, udo wako mumenshena kana usimesori showing ngeno ngoralo aribone kandi makiwe apo ka registera ndoswika ndinawo oyo ndinawo waga aribone nawo Austin zviso hey niadiwa madzina adhifana wewe madzende avudi man. Okay, imwe comment eko vakala butandi dosvika eri irani ndinambedi share kausheriwe direction dziko tiolingana na views zvo zvino dziko shota nga 8 so zvikombori dziko shota as 8 dzicho dzodala ndanda unongare dziko shota nga 8 dzicho dzodala vangeno vari ndinyoyo ndozvimwala apo vangeno kana mdzane ka description yapo zvomwaliwapo ri ndinanyi namusi na chinepe chikodibva ngoralo ndoziyamba ndari vanji vafuna baduvusori ninanyi zvomwaliwa zvombwanga hazvo atidivi zveri ndindowelo de heyo mara Adroit ndodova ndava naye nditeme ndimuted tiyeni nyana. Okay, cool. Adroit nikobva
ya ndikufaro na di data za Rea'Nay na dzivojia va Rea'Nay
dzikuita dzichiva na taidzo dzikuita vachiva zina taidzo kayo side. Okay, cool. So yokatanika dhiamba something man. Yanga dhiamba nga dzina lanu niko taurishedza vatu right yana tienya kuti tandaudza ngoralo nga budalo mara ari nambe ri genekalo fungo helinoni so zwa beat zwone zwine zwa ḓa zwa thoma gai zwo ita dzi beat?
Zwo ita beat zwo thoma nga it was in 2010. Yeah, I think that kha matric, and then a vhona iṅwe Brian ya ri munhu na program ra khou ita zwezwo rap, so ri tshi zwo rapa a ḓe iṅwe Brian ya ri munhu na iṅwe program ndo i wanaho yo no pfi Fruity Loops it has beat. Ari okay sumbedze yone, so hola munhu a ḓa na Fruity Loops 3 nga hetsho tshifhinga, so a tshi ḓa nayo ra install ra vha ri khou cheka zwone ri sa ḓivhi uri ri khou itea mini mara, and then from 2010 2011 nṋe ndavha ndi khou vhuya from Rustenburg to Venḓa, ndi khou vhuya ya ndi tshi vha ya na vhone ndi tshi thoma u ita zwo nyaga u tou dzhenelela straight kha music, u tou focus straight. So what happened uri nda tshi ya kha iwe vhona iṅwe Brian hanefho nṋe nda dzula hone tsini, so a tshi ita zwezwi zwa dzi beat, so ndi tshi ya kha haya tshi ngitela dzi beat, so vha na tshifhinga tshe ndi tshi ya nda wana a siho o ṱuwa houḽa munna nga vhanga ḽa mushumo.
Ndi Brian ifhio?
So ndi ṅwaha u no pfi DJ Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, so houḽa munna a tshi vaya nda kha iṅwe out yo no pfi Tendani, heiḽa out ya mpha Fruity Loops 10 nga ngoma USB. Ndi sa hetsho tshifhinga nda sina PC, ndi sina Next, so it was just Fruity Loop nga ngomu ya PC until mukegulu wanga vha tshi sacrifice vha nrekela PC, nda thoma u install, ndi tshi install nda thoma u farafara dzi knobs, ndi tshi ṱokonya tshiṅwe na tshiṅwe ndi tshi nyaga u ḓo zwa uri tshi ita mini, a itea mini, and then from there nda thoma u build up, nda thoma u focus, like nda tshi dzula phanḓa ha PC like almost 2 weeks 3 weeks ndi sa bveli nnḓa, ndo to dzula phanḓa ha Fruity Loops ndi khou i guda and all those stuff. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Zwi khou pfala. So ubva tshetsho tshifhinga ni khou ita dzi beat nani khou shuma na vhathu vhafhio nga ningei side dza Madombija ngo ralo?
Hetsho tshifhinga ndi tshi thoma nga 2011 nda sathu spana muthu ndi khou tou ita dzi beat nthihi until ndi tshi ṱangana na iṅwe Brian nga no pfi Man J. Ri tshi ṱangana ra vha ri khou thoma u shuma, ra ṱangana na muṅwe no pfi MP, then ubva hanefho ra vha ri khou ra foma tshigwada tsho no pfi Twizy Fam. Ra thoma u ita dzi music, ri tshi rekoda dzi mixtape, nṋe ndi khou ḓi ita dzi beat mara dzi sathu tou vha that to swika kha hetshiḽa tshipesi tshine anga pfhi ri nga dzi shumisa, but ri tshi sokou vha ri khou shumisa dzedzi dza dzi download, dziṅwe dzi tshi itiwa nga vhaṅwe vhathu vha tshi ri sendela ra vha ri khou ita until ndo thoma u shumisa beat yanga ya mathomo after ndi tshi producer track yo no pfi dza Vhavenḓa, ndo itela Bamba.
Ndika ḓi zwihumbula I think ndi 2013 kana ḓo fhesi.
Yeah. So from there that's when na muṅwe by that time nda khou shumisa Blackberry, hu kha ḓi vha na BBM.
Na BBM, yeah.
So kha BBM a context ere mna rofa beat, ri nyanga dzi beat, mna rofa beat, so I started to take it, you know what, I can actually treat this as a career and as a business at the same time. So nda to focus more, nda thoma wana nda ṱangana na Kiddies Beats, ṱangana Kiddies Beats aba ko ampha plugin yo no pfi Nexus. That's when they tshi thoma ita beat dzina vhori ya zwino dzi a pfara because the element dzi matured enough. Then yeah, nda vha ndi khou thoma u spana ubva hanefho nda vha khou thoma u ṱangana na dzi producer dziṅwe vho DJ Matumi, muṅwe ndinyi, but Kiddies ngene nda vhori ndo shumisa naye from 13 14 until 15.
Okay, cool. So luimbo dza Vhavenḓa ho itiani, like Bamba oni wana gai ngori na Bamba rari naye na ene u khou sumbedza uri nga hetshiḽa tshifhinga ngono iṅwaha na ene o vha murahu nyana, so like no kwamanisani naye, no mu wana gai Bamba zwavhuḓi vhuḓi?
Hola munna amba na nne kha, I don't know if it was WhatsApp or if it was BBM, because hola munna tshi amba na nne ngari by the time o vha a Cape Town. Tshi amba naye a ri munna ndi khou nyaga beat na vhori i ḓo namelwa nga dzi artist amba vho Mizo vho Boma vho Nyinyi. So to me it was like okay, So I get to produce my first beat because to me back then I'm trying to Mizo was such a big thing because Mizo was big. Even now he's still big. I'm just saying back then was one. So back then it was to run. It was dimloro shumana Mizo. So ndaitela beat. I remember the first beat ndaita PC yanga vethuku ya corrupta beat. Ichi corrupta beat ndadova ndavyelela ndaita same time la beat ichita same time yapera ubva ndepo export. It took me like 30 minutes iko export ngori PC yove slow. Ala munhu achiko text muna beat and then ubva nepo ndamusendera beat hela then andichimusendera beat la munhu aitohela track yote ichivuyela track ichibva. Oh, that was big. That was big for me because I feel like
okay,
that's
ndiko zumbula hela track yova iya dzichima so ndi vathu vothe ve vavo generera chima so ngechita chifhinga tonga chima one dzikotothoma so vathu vothe vo genereraho chima. I think ndi vathu vothe vo genereraho chima vavo unomo muthu onopfi tiene ubhizi ukhonkakhisa mara ona thaidzo ndikumupanga mandiite so peni second ndithome ndiite so okay, cool. So ndatika dember hela beats kana track lay yebe ya bathu vo general chima. I think the best Ven rap ngoralo. So I'm not talking about CJ Duckface, Mizo, Bomo Unlimited na Bamba ndika didomra of the track. Okay, cool. Tiene maybe auto gidimachi achi todo jenai udova tamsi ana mbudziso ngoralo.
Unofirisa zwithu zwinzhi asi zwino ndi tshi khou rwa screen hafha ndi khou ri ni ḓo mbona isani phanḓa ndi ḓo tou gava zwi tshiya phanḓa.
Okay, wazwo ri ambisani o to baizane fala ala talurali tiene asala chiziambale o mo di folder. Okay, cool. So over 2013 do mbudzo ri step to tevela ndi chifhio because obviously no muzvi realize uri hape tutonga ri ndingakona uva na career kha izwi zwa music ngakona mfesa just 2014 maybe ni songo zwi stretchesa maybe ni gumeka vo 2014 ngani ngeuya pandori like next move wombo diva ufio.
For me the next move was to have like I was so keen to have my own equipment, to have my own studio navori na vathu ndenda shuma navo. Even now we still zvikadiva mission ono yori I'm planning to have more than 3 to 5 studios in one place. Have a lot of artists, producer in one place and just work. So from there, from 2013, Mumburo Obori, you know what? I think I should move from Venda to Johannesburg, and then just check the other side. So from 2013, I got to go to Shuma, Namajita, then 14, I got to go Shuma, and then 2015, January, February, that's when I moved to Johannesburg. And I don't move on to in a studio. So when I get there, I started playing them beats. Away the beat is only because I remember it was the first time it was going in Red Button. Yeah, Rabargo Shuma came with track. So dude, because Abangom Badera and then Adroit Chakipa track, or you know what? Because I'm a baddiva. So
Zomber like see that one the jump at a pan the maramani ambusori di che maratien and the dory I noted down yena go to the woods. Okay, cool. So as is like not swing a chair obviously ndando nifa nikozifa zori nditova dictionary of and rap mare ndando no zifa na za venda na mean it's fun but hezwi ndikudito moni recognize ndingathani uri na chitasa na imwe ati ya Persona Studios ndandi chipesali kufunga ri wa Persona ndini kana Persona ndini kana mini ndiri how kuiti yani khaila collaboration ya vewe kana yanu navo watu wa Persona kana don't talitsa kushumele kota uko kwetia.
Oh, LOT, let's just say before that, nendo tangana Romeo, I think 2014 or the Ashkwete show ya Sanlam hapa noni Lois. So depends on it. I don't go perform there. So let's perform a like Romeo ava kudzhia zwinepe, then aja number phone dzanga ava kombudzisa uri hone imwe track ndoita ndi na cash flow yo no pfi blow up. So Romeo emwe imwe ndi ndoita track ela na cash flow na be uri ndi muṅwe muthu to dzula gai mina. Okay, ri ḓo amba. So ri tshi amba so Romeo bva amba tshona vha khou dzhia zwinepe na dzi video dza dzi khou itea ri khou performa hanefhaḽa. Ubva hanefho Romeo ari ni ngo to ntsendela beat ri record. So hola munna nda musendela beat hango i shumisa from 2014. I think ela beat yo da shuma nga 2016 kha ground zero if I'm not mistaken. From there nṋe ndavha ndi tshi move Johannesburg, ndavha ndi khou move Johannesburg ndi tshi khou shuma navho P Black kha u khou itiwa company iṅwe no pfi Ace Vito na HB Media. Yeah. So ndavha ndi khou move as a producer ndi tshi khou producer kha yo company. So nṋe nda muvela Soweto, ndi tshi muvela Soweto at that tshifhinga ndi yo tou zama ndi zwi khathe short. Havha khou swika tshifhinga tsho uri ri khou tea ya havho bookwa studio kha Phaswana production. So I nda grab my laptop and then we went there u spana hanefhaḽa ri khou spana. So hola munna ndi tshi swika kha era uri havha khou ḓi fhaṱiwa studio tshawe nga hanefhaḽa. So ra shumela huṅwe nga ngomu lapani nyana. So ri khou shuma hafhaḽa aula munna vha khou pfa production a khou vhona the way na vho ri ndi recordisa ngaho, the way na vho ri ndi mixa zwithu ngaho. Raymond hezwi zwithu nda khou zwi tsha to zwi vhona, I think we should work, take my numbers or give me your numbers. And then I'm gonna number phone and then Raspana from there and Rabvaya. Then I went back to Soweto to hustle as not that hustler. So I go hustler. All I'm gonna contact to the studio to when can you come? That anytime. Anytime because that time that you found about the studio. I feel like now they found studio but not like then. That you found over studio too much. So meet and meet rava ri khou amba uri so we can work together and so. So nṋe ndavha ndi khou vhona uri zwa Ace Vito zwi khou drag zwi khou dzhia tshifhinga and I'm here to hustle. I'm here for myself. I'm not nobody. Ngomvisa. So hola munna okay, this is the contract, this is what is going to happen, you do this, I do this. Okay, cool. So at first hola munna onja as a producer, as an employee, you work and then you get paid. That's how it is. And then we started working, and then Soweto to Western area is very far. Move on, need the guy, need the Western area. Then I moved from Soweto to Western area. That's when we started to be together more. Like people were even thought to maybe brothers, like family. Because numbers t-shirt is on fire, maybe cap is on fire and all those stuff. So nobody the producer and artist there. Just that it depends on the meaning. I want to release a music do circumstances, yeah. So then that's just Panaka personal production. The one the head of production there.
Okay, cool. Ndoto ndikudziwise because that's what American like ana confusion ngamanda. After kuitia ndikamba obviously zvakare ndikunomvesa. Ndoto ndizvibuyise because I knew una chitori chidapfunga manda. Ndiko temteo yakambuso dzenza ka Facebook. And then in the name of so futhi to the usa nga S Vito. Not S Vito kana AS Vito.
Oh, AS Vito.
Hey, okay. Mbudzeni ngayo.
That was it was that it didn't last. I don't last because I don't know what happened. Honestly, I don't wanna lie. Not this already because Romeo Obada. If now I check no music for Romeo or Battlefield. My personal logo and I have Ace Vito and all those stuff. So
okay, so somebody did Romeo when he recruit?
Yeah, na P Black and they don't do it because udzura in tea. Actually, udzura nepa in tea. None that's right.
Oh, this one.
So Rachi chamber and all those stuff. I feel like at that point of time. At that time, people didn't believe in me as much as I believed in myself. So that's what I'm going now ngari ndi undermine nyana. So I have to move from that and see what it is.
Okay. So imwambuso ke yombo didaka Facebook. Iri ndinyu ya inspire ka industry international na local.
Internationally, it has been always Kanye West. And local, I wouldn't say una muthu we inspire, but now the person that ndi am follower not that much, but the
Norning.
Twizy.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh, not yes. So angwa Twizy.
Okay.
Okay, so ndiko todo niumbuza cause ndiko tona imwe comment ndori na medi jenekazo. Imwe comment iko Heprometic oh no I got that kind of moderate iko that ka bano kotalela iri Heprometic nari ko wina lini 20 gigi ila yaone yera promisio 20 gigi ko winiwa nga show ye ya dota manga masiari ido debeta manga Friday yazunda ko ndifirise mara nsongwa sim card yayo ka tothen ko bone iba ina 20 gigi ndiya mahala aunofe nikothoma na renga netani 20 gigi ya mahala nkwiwina zi details nieka wole yanga yo sponsor nga Affordable Technologies ngoralo okay cool ari kemwe mbudziso tieneni nemwe mbuso kana rijeneka zi comment ngapa nisomwesa kule okay jenenkaza ara nitsi nadzo ngapa
okay richiko jena ka the comments hapa noni
tendansa riwese ndebe
ukofi mbudziso dza TN dzikuita something TN go on I want to see something nati tubudzisa chithu hapa noni ndonobudzisa chithu checho yakama
ndi ala mafungo ena abantu kwamba zwa madzina na mini nendiko konoziumbula zori uko mangami afet okay mandi doni posela zone uri zisalenga okay mbuso iko vaka mafunefunesi iri recovery ndoipfa utongari ndi track yabu dinga manda na mafungo ndione naone arelu one obuitiani nani ku recover ka zwifio kani nani ku recover ka ezvito kana ndi paswana doruza
kana
nah man
kana ndi zi break ndi mini ritalitze
nah man ndago recover from a car accident yenda iwana nga 2016 nga 25 za December uba ngaona panoni it was just by the grace of the Lord so zvote theory ndadva ndisichaiwo shangoni so zvori ndo survive isani I don't even know, but if you can listen to the song whatever I'm saying on that song recovery it's all facts tikozokwamba ngori pedzi mara it's what happened right yeah ndaku recover and even the song bechirekora ndakati recover so yeah ndako from a car accident in the one 2016
okay song esina nezo zwino ndibona ngari ndizone zwa important ngamanda for now song esino zwino ina rine okay cool so imwe comment ikubva ka Facebook ngangei ikubva ka Lavutano uri hai Lavutano wako turibudza zvo share hauna taidzo imwe kembuso iri hino niko ndakadza hino iri okay mandiri posaka screen iko bvaka D-boy makwarela iri Adroit niafira tieni ngauita dzibiti na pano ndikagwindi aona ushava hapa
ukuya koriswa maniga zvino
ifani kazvasori mbodhiri mini kazvasori mbodhiri
auna ndemwa ndigwindi fedzi maruku amagonani
maruku amagonani ke mudziso asina ata asingotodoritsitsira views nasapindwa mbuso dzaso atitododiweri haitiani mara mbuso keyo Adroit finikopira tiene na ngori tieno live udonamba pindura kana responda arali zvina mini ngango
nezvine ndakazviyamba ndikari mumwe namumwe una ndikari mumwe namumwe una playground yawe navori kwadiva zvori kaye playground uhani and gifted how ngabona so I wouldn't say ndikauti unavori ndi humbled and I'm down to earth and I wouldn't say ndifira nyi wampira I don't know one or wampira it's fine on pira now on beat, but I don't know mtu achikwamba achikore nendipira 10 kuita beat ukamba kandira ifyo because 10 ublend ngandira yawo nane blend ngandira yanga
mara oyo angobudzisa zva ndira ausikori nyamufirana zva ndira ringajena kazvo mara oyo sikori nyamufirana 10 asati wamatutu zva zvinhu 10 asati comment so mbusio sikori nyamufirana zvisina kundira ngangomu
reakona rote
ari unongoti unorengesa zvikete kachiye madombidza kadolf ari unoti unorengesa zvikete timwe
dzishoto dzikofariwa
rizini
ndingori note notarera fanoni dorashare for
ndingori ndikochata nadolf sorry but achachata naye ndiani mtu wapesero send a message so ringa mafungo okay cool ari pera repanda reality okay so from recovery Raifa nditrack yabu then 2014 is Vito ndiabalolia melia dzina ngori ati tulibona lo mwali wapetu then okay arjineka ardizwe ndondotavanyesa na arjinekalo aunofindo tavanyesa zvino nadhana Mizo uri ashume naini albumu hoitiani ngori mbusweni yakotevera nikoidiva zvori kudhodha ngandilada arensa zvidivi ati zvidivi mari hoitiani uri nishume na Mizo ni approach ngandilade uri nishume nate kaila albumu yawe
nena Mizo rotangana ndakadiva paswana ndichitangana na Mizo album ila ya the Mizo Phyll album rotome ishuma paswana like the track Buhazi, Good Vibes Only, Palesa was the first song that we worked on. Abana zimwe mbili zinabora zingojana ka album. I don't know what happened to them, but abana zimwe mbili zinabora zingojana ka album. And then ezimo zineza tobera rozishuma ngeno studio straight. Other than ngeno I think for like 4 to 5 days rishko shuma. Yeah, so nena Mizo rotangana 2016. Official chitomutangana Mizo. It was in 2016 ya paswana nene kadisipana paswana.
Okay, cool. So vana meli jenekalo ngori zvono jenekalo. So ala mapungo omwala status na veranda na Mizo beat aningobadela nawo ne beat zote dzidashima ka album ya Mizo notolisa auna aningorenga chote zvabudibudi ndidodhova nadzirengisa futi hoitiani doritaurichadza dili yove yani matomoni none nisati ujena kauri hoitiani mbuzeno ri dili yove yani nichitoma paswana up until nichisvika studio apo madombi jori angasi kuda for 5 days mutu nisina dili kana usina at least chitukutuku chenambedzana chaone veiwe like dili yove yani
paswana I don't know dili ya Mizo na paswana way mean. Remember I was just a producer back there. Paswana. So I was not in financials. And then I got to decide to go to me. And then that is to shumo month end I get paid. That what it was. So is that like bo good vibes na mina those it didn't pay for them because they too are passion on visa. Yeah, so I wouldn't charge for something that worry Zito amrao and then nobody was muna munga. So I wouldn't charge for that. I think badera this is no, which is I don't achamburu ndizipiyo mara good vibes rodo bare record no na ye na I mean I think you close to 6 or 7 songs na borozita again. So what happened during Mizo came to me and said unyangopesa album so, okay, when do you want to record arandido nibuza ndichida so achidara dzura pasi ambor okay, this is what is going to happen. Never now for the album at na budget. Okay. So what is the deal? Our deal meaning let's work on the album. Album is already to morengisa wherever not on, and then when are you gonna get all of your money depending on how much you're gonna charge me. Okay. So for me, I saw, you know what, it's okay. I can't just stay this Koshuma. It's better the Shuma, and besides Mizo the brand. So working with him is gonna boost somewhere my company and the name of it's one. So what I told him, okay, what I'm gonna charge you, I'm gonna charge you labor ya 5 days or 4 days in the work Shuma ya studio time. Not as album. You know India the HP changa span and all the stuff. So he agreed with that. I charged him and then he paid that. Okay, it's fine. And then album and then album was doing well. You actually have a number 1 iTunes. I don't know. Yeah, I think it did.
ndikozumbura yakudina bad, yeah.
Yeah, good deal. So and then from 2017 chipinga chira recorda ngacho December and then January. I think 7 months yote. I was not saying anything. Ngabona. Ndachamba naye ambuza uri this what is happening. Like, okay, fine. Amba nandamuzo this what is happening, fine. And then asvika he abadela 50%. Yeah, the amount that I've charged him the whole album. And then he paid that. And then when he paid, and then I was when would I get that? After maybe 2 to 3 months. Okay, cool. And then the patient in a month, and they went when the patient in a month, and I'm zooming out about the shipping or just week. So if you speak out the chabana, hey, are okay, Udobade. I promise you, okay, so I'm gonna pay this much. Okay, cool. Dubala pira la machero, and then I talked to him. Obana mina chedi yanga yango clear you this and that and that. Okay, fine. I understand. It's okay. It does happen about true. So sometimes things don't go the way we want them to. So that there already Dwale Arudobara last week, but he paid, but he didn't pay the full amount. So Richamba Havana now I understand that. That's when I decided, okay, cool. It's better than the drinks is beat is an album so that I can get my money because agreement here I am by you know the card. Okay, fine. Then I have Facebook. Now if I say I wanna do something, I do. I have Facebook na poster or I'm gonna sell the beats. Beats are available, you can buy and whatever. So I have a status have a requirement on that. So but he paid about actually an extra. So it's all good. Good. Me and Phil, we good. We good.
Okay, cool. Because
unabhele yambudziso apa.
Okay.
Unabhele yambudziso apa noni. Unambudziso apa noni i-records comment iri auto charge wa bugai Mizo for production.
Ndandikototorodha naye zvavhudi mbudziso. Aritome apa murawangi. Ngoto ndizwa kale Adroit. President zono change it's far kunita ndeyo. Ngoto ndizwa kale na tiene order ya arvisara kagere uri ochaja guy Royal Gardens. Ngoto ndizwa kale. Zvino ngori na ini ndizwa kale. Yabe guy ni labor 5 days ya.
Okay, uko video ndiambe zitreke.
Labor 5 days ucho.
Amount.
Yeah, 5 days. 5 I charged him 1.5.
Okay. Yapfala. So eyo yazi BT opeza kubata kugeni otobada na extra.
Hey man ningani sawa fungo.
Ndizwa kale na Adroit. Apa ndizwa kale.
I think
Adroit.
For album, I think back then, 2017, I was charging. I think my normal price. Mizo asked for what I can't prices that I was charging because at the end of the day, he's a celebrity and I can't charge him small money. You know what I'm saying? So when I charge, I had to add tags. You know what I'm saying? For those who don't have first number. So no, I'm charge 1,000 for beat and or record so you can do the math. I think we had 7 songs.
Yeah, okay. I think we could find. Okay, cool. So the TNT business number this one now.
Yeah, ndina dzimbudziso for Adroit beat as a producer. So
Sure.
Dambudza nga production ire one Venda. How do you feel about it?
Ndosha
Ni
there.
vona igai.
Nerimini?
Ndere like for music in general waven rap ure hone venda out there une rezor original first and
Yeah.
foremost une rezor original or the producers in raz diva ni fonga ven rap yo ima guy in terms of like production.
In terms of production, I feel like we are there, but not unera kotoa bariona, because I feel like the producer most of the time aziko shumesa ka zibidi zabo auna ndingarimini auna creativity iba kazi artist, but the producer duzula zoto biti kwetu ting atambiwa and then zvazvopera bekiwa auna chipinga chorudzi rwebiti techelesiwe urunga edwa mina chwa mini this and that and that and that. So I feel like whatever that it's missing, it's chipinga chinapori chikuspendiwa ka production. I feel like vatu vajero cha product kana unchazi album zvisongo right, like mutu vatu vakojaiwa nga social media zifene zikojaya vatu and then navatu artist yatenda ujaiwa and then yapeze kucha music usongova ushapu producer noyone yaringori nendo kunyanga chelede. It is what it is. So I feel like
Mara zuna Adroit, you and I, both you and I know to put it on the record, BT, yeah, take it back. Yeah, take it back. Ika 1022 EP. Yeah, I made that beat in 45 minutes.
Sure.
Project those two. Then I need both you and I know uri navi anadora workflow yanu. Chimwe chipinga ninga vula software yoita beat nene shumisa. Natara beat nisatuliza shuna chiti. Naita play have some things zinezuko make a sense. Like so do you really think uri ndichifinga? Because sometimes
Kana ni
talente na experience tango ziyadiyana nga experience uri ne ndichikwamba ngorali ngezori ndothoma shumisa fruit loop ubva murahu fana na ini dzikhadi vakavo 3 eninge uyosikela zvino. So ndiyazori ndina experience cholapfawo swika guy. So ndikozodzazori like do you think uri like really ndichifinga spent?
Yeah, niyadozori umwe ndi minute maybe it's because I take time, especially cause sound selection. That's what makes me different from producer and all those stuff. It's because they're just being a sound selection. Sound selection yanga, the most powerful thing. It's my sound selection. One visa. So ndichikambori but vanokwambira ka sound selection because ndowana beat yaone snare kick yaone zvikoto zvongari kukikone kongari ndi ndoli nyana keyboard yaone idragi au kuspendwa. That's why ndikamba zvinozori au kuspendwa chipinga chinji uchiko EQ zvithu ukonchwa zimadness ukonchwa zireverb we zinabo zikote uvaone ngomvisa.
Okay. So ringa bottom line rabedova rari tangwe na ndivo ngamanda knowledge ya zwithu zwinji because if na nera ndichiko eda ngapo ngantha for the producer community ya Venda I feel like una zwithu zwinji zwine azwiko udiviwa from
because imagine katene because rero do wana producer edition ya show so rero live at least ku summary ko kutukutuku
Okay.
Wewe ni the one producer edition ya wewe.
Usele na vanayo ngotavanya naone. Richene ndiko todo diva zori like kombera top 5 producers dzamu dza favorite dza Venda.
Top 5.
Yeah.
Aingo dalesa nanda ndikufunga nenda doria yo dalesa so.
Adroit
beats. Shout out.
Nizomodiveya. Richita the top list are the because obviously mwana number 1 ka list yawe.
Sure. Yeah, okay, on some real note, my top 5 producers neda for Ria. This churches never quita zvinavo zvichapo. I wouldn't say I have top 5.
Yeah,
Maybe
even if I hawker order like just top 5, like yeah, what 5 yeah.
Katie's beats, Tian on the track, DJ Matumi. Who else?
That's Anthony Buzorin, that's Dofonga top 5 yo dalesa. Only when in our dictionary of Venrepo, Nachinga Konamba, Nachinga that some tea work with the same.
Zugomba zori the producers the vendor arali rione arito remake sure remain noticed because obviously muzika uone une wakuitiwa but sazwe zwine ra kwambisa zwone uko skero one thangwe ari vadivi vamwe na dziṅwe nyimbo nji dzine ri nga ḓivha ri tshi dzilidza dzo ditiwa hayani ri sa zwiḓivhi zwo ri dzo itwa nganye.
Purchase your tracks today.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So in fact,
producer you're the top producer and they don't produce mama hits manja. Purchase your tracks today.
In fact, Etienne, in fact, Adroit, ndiko tudofira kelifungo please. Achipinga arichartendele. Mara. Komlo rinito dobusa ngotawanyedza tinona vamba doba dobusa ndiko tudoni posera dziku producer njinji futi. Doba dobusa ndisa ambeni onambiwa.
KTZ, Tiene, na DJ Matumi.
Okay, cool. So nebenenda vadiva. Atikore vereka lisi yanu. Venenda vadiva, something in dictionary. Unamtu ono fi G-Boy exclusive. Unamtu ono fi Big Robza. Unamtu ono fi Mr. Main. Unamtu ononga mandito doande umulezwa udi. Yeah, arsoko gumane for now. Yeah. Okay, Vanjiba on and it's upcoming, but on Vanji beats and the upcoming. But at least what whenever divide, don't at least when Washumana Zeti Sinji and whenever the lesser on.
Sure. Yeah, I feel like Kalistian Dosia robs and what that's very bad. That's my homie. Shout out.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Like the producers out there are mshumo consistent ubve rekono ubonala zwavudi. To be honest ne ori vhathu vandivesa producer it's because music wanga ndito producer and I make sure uri ni zwiḓivhe zori ndoto producer and ndi a producer for vhathu vhane vha kha team yanga ndono producer dzi project dzo vhalaho dzi album dzo vhalaho nyana so zwiko to amba zori like music kha produce yo ari shume ri bvise muzika ube munji out there.
Okay, cool. Chipinga chono ridianyana ndiko todo busengo mbusi important nayo.
Mara track.
Okay, it's fine. Mara not ngabo Trojan ndikomfa bad tonga nankemwe track ya PCP post ndomufa ndikomfa Trojan. Nine uko ideas of the body. Now tona ngabo DJ Light ndizone. Yeah, okay, cool. Ndiko dako to vala producer.
Yeah.
Nani?
Sema Clacker.
Oh, yes. Hey, ringa waring. Hey.
The other thing about Sema Clacker maybe already Romo hangwa from the conversation is that Udova our artist. So Adroit beats not sometimes. Like when you think, especially maybe because mostly what one diva as an artist. When you think of Tian, you don't think the producer, you think the artist. So Nasema Clacker chimumbura ni umbura the artist and umburu uri like the producer.
Hey, say wori badi mrawangi. Ndikadero mbrandi wo shimes. Okay, cool. So numbers is okay. Ine kubvaka nema una imwe sound ene kutamba apa kombe rara mtu ene kutambisa sound
Irandi check up
yeah it's sorted this week. Okay, so Adroit una mbusi anga ke mandito jena ndito ya ka kezo zvitu straight tree ni mbudze ngazo Rea'Nay perfect. Okay. Una track dzote dzenda dziwana Adroit ne. Madzina ni arina kubva gai na ini. Chotoma because mandi tautedza vaturi why ndiko vudzisa. Una track inofi know your love, know your family, know your day, know your day once ndiyaludhiwa na know yourself lwene anongo lusenda obviously but ndiyaludhiwa luone so
yeah,
madzina ya
ndoshava matamba
ifano arina thaidzo matamba atoridhina kuambiwa marai kazi track yasitaidzo you know yourself nayo aiwafanoni but know your what edzi dzamiliyoni ukuitya ndototarichedza maybe ndidokunowana something chendakatowa nacho.
Yeah, no, as a project, it's called Project Your Full Body. It's called Know Yourself. That's the whole project. So, nadodzwa ndiko structure. Hayo madzina all that before zingimbo zichivaone kana zibiti kana zifeatures zichivaone. So, I had this. It was when 2018, and then ndoba status cha every track and every feature that I wanted to happen, but unfortunately as much I did. So when andadodzula ndikambora okay, so arali rukuhamba nga udhi kana udhidiva, how can I make a project na vori ibe kuhamba ngori know this, understand this. So then I came with the project Know Yourself, and then I was like, okay, on this project every song has to be know your day ones. You need to know. You need to know your day ones. You need to understand who's in your circle, who you eating with. So it was that. Know your faith, know your day ones, know your squad, know yourself, know your love, know your hustle. What else? Know your worth. Yeah, it was just all of that. So I wanted to send spread a message about people who you need to know this, you need to know that, you need to understand this. So that's how I came with the project. Just wanted people to understand. But the whole project you be know yourself. So yourself will not know your day ones, will not know your love, will not know
okay. I think zikufara. So ngorari mani rinambe referring afanoni
Let's get everybody to Rea'Nay T-Fat.
Yeah, it's your boy RLD.
Yo, this is Romeo the Great White.
Your boy Batondi, aka the B-Town
Yo,
man.
what's poppin', man? It's your boy Big Robs, and you watching Van Rap Late
Late Night Show.
Late Night Show.
It's Fan Rap Late Night Show.
Rimbo chiko jena ngorale komulore ni share da doba ngorwa share ni go reactor ngoralo.
Are share.
You gotta know your day ones. They fighting for your dreams. They want you to achieve. You gotta know your day ones. Cause people switching lanes.
Never thought of safety.
They changing you. You gotta know your day ones. Your day ones. They fighting for your dreams.
There's phone zosea. This phone zosea Adroit renga phone kwana Adroit man.
Ipiyo.
Ndikosikwa mara rekwaifarini sorry ati dizori wokuitia ati dizori uba ukuitia ni nane nisikuifa mara watu vakuifa so kono gesori watu vakuifa zwazviri
No problem.
You gotta know your circle, cause niggas they be switching lanes. People they be changing on you lately. I've been on my feelings, oh no. I've been on my knees praying for my life, Lord. I don't trust nobody, they don't trust me. I'm here for my life, so live your life. Hey, you gotta know your day ones, cause people they be switching lanes. All my niggas from day ones, I just hope you never lose your way. See lately, I've been on my feelings, oh no. I've been on my knees praying for my life. Look, so lately I've been on my feelings. Stay up, working overtime. I gotta stay sharp like a blade. I cut fake friends and bullshit real quick. Hey, your day ones, they fighting for your dreams. They want you to achieve. You gotta know your day ones, cause people switching lanes out here. They changing you. You gotta know your day ones, your day ones. They fighting for your dreams. They want you to achieve. You gotta know your day ones, your day Lord knows how to try these niggas. Lord knows I done tried these hoes. They got me chasing this money like a Pablo. I don't own nobody, no favor say. In the ring, heavyweight Mike Tyson. I still wanted to bullshit the fake friends. Hold up, you fuck with my day ones. I swear to God I can speak another language. My day ones are the people that I start with. I sit down, break bread with my day ones. Blind to the bullshit, Ray Charles. Real nigga man, I keep it 108. We just can't be.
It's FanRap Late Night Show. Bana zero wafara na hela out ya chilamba.
Okay, cool. Know your day ones. Ndilwa Adroit. Nane pa over yete. Hai, ndi nyimbo za wood bad. Na zibiti ngozipfa kala watu bataka kubusero. Zino biti za Adroit ndizifio. Nyimbo zote zene rono zitambai. Otoito muna ngeni ndira kusimbisure wajia nga manda uri aite mfumo wawe. Yeah man. Yeah. Okay, cool. Adroit ni kompa. Yeah, Adroit. Eti ndoma na Adroit, not ongara kumfa.
Adroit. Ningorfa. Autongo to mute da. No, ntonga no mute da, unmute anida.
Okay, niko pfara zwi.
Oh, okay. Tungo kwa machitu.
Oh, okay, niko pfara zwi.
Okay, cool. Sorry. Omo divana era. Mara awna taizo rido zudzanya. Okay, cool. Know your day ones. As a project ichisala chiva yakuva wetian like chichani motivate or invise project over meanings of the like over untanya haimwe scenario yoitiao kana something choitiao buchironi yanu ufana tam scenario recovery kana nasiko filore ndi title ya bude.
No, digital ayo a track in your day ones. I was in a chitu chete. It was just a song that I wanted to make just to let people know, or day ones the bahani they stick around you while you're not eating. They stick around while you're going through some things. So I just wanted to do the song to appreciate the people that from where we started until now. I'm still with them. So which is it's a good thing and it's a blessing to me.
Okay, cool. I think it's good fire. So Zino ni busy. I mean, because kubana niko shooter the video. Ukwita ni busy. I mean, like project musically, kana kazi production, tamsi za the album or the EP zabatu. Many like ni busy. Niko shuma na minzo zino.
Zwazwino ne list yanga we shuma na bathu ndi nji man, but if I could say it's a lot. Ndina bathu vazhinji apo ndikushuma navo. Some of them they're not even from Venda, but when ndiva ndari nemwe kuti navori iCuba nayo ndikushuma nayo. There's a guy from Zimbabwe, there's a guy Cape Town, Northwest, Johannesburg, yeah. This client is anganjiziva Johannesburg. So Venda ndikushuma na zi up and coming artists inji blind ndinji. So on my side I just don't kutopedza usaina artist na producer mbiri. So ndi like the team mara the artist na producer at the same time. So which is the movie of acoustic na mono of cross wave. I'm sure what vachivona ndiko as live na bona mina. So I've signed them into my company because they are very good, and then they are hungry for work. So right now kushuma ka project inavoridia Rea'Nay na mix sound ya hip hop na pop na mapiano wangu murustanganisa, and then we try to give it out to people. And I'm also shooting videos every Sunday, drop them every Friday. This is gonna happen until now. Music every Saturday. So yeah, it's just work. Auna chipinga choima.
Usi work ya Rea'Nay mara.
Aye, work, your lead gang.
Okay, noted. So tiene akontalishedzere una imwe game ine kutotamba naini mara amuzere already somehow okay so mani ndini vavaise nga hei ine ndava nayo izinga manda atidivi zvori tiene namusona mavhuvhuna ori anepe yone mara arifire ngapa.
VLNRAP Late Night Show, best collaboration. Oh my
God! Okay, cool. So game in on EP, kana section EP best collaboration. Yoleruwa chifuna zoleruwa we. Ndizwe zitongofana no winner data the affordable technology zoleruwa ngamanda. Okay, cool. So best collaborate ndizwe tiene nina manyunyu naransi na manyunyu mandi jenekalo.
Best collab for Rea'Nay dana musi.
Okay, that is okay. So best collab ndi konipa artists dzana kodofara huku ndadowanda nipa artists dzana kodofara verse kadza huku niko nanga nti kadza verse niko nanga nti ngoraro
Sure.
So chipinga chote vatu vanji vadozvi realize kana uzvi humbulori zvichikubva mutono yo ane ndava naye kashui ndiazama ucustomize list chipinga chote yanga iyelana naono yomutu mara Adroit iko aingotovesa easy but ndido dana ngoraro. Okay, cool. Arina rijikalo wotoma atinga ndikuya kure ndi Romeo ngori ni ashima badi naye ndiene mtene ukunifarira huku ndido zamangandira zotorive hadi wawili anakonifarira huku ndi Bianca. Okay, wavuraru anakonifarira huku ndi okay ndikodonipa vanhu wavuraru ndi MSK ngori onodapo studio ndi awena zo wavuna ndimupange umuna. Okay, ndikopanga Chris Bank kevo hawativote nonoshima navo close ngamanda atikonipa watu wene antushima navo ndikonipa watu wene nonoshima navo studio so kevo 4 people nikuita hiti aunofi arari zvikobva kori title nikuita hiti zvino zvisandawo ndi title ipiyo huku keyo nikuipanya
linikalanga ngo liyahuta kazi huku Romeo.
No fear no favor avo vawanozama mwere mini.
No, all of them they are good tiangoni uzama zvivakona vothe but I know collaboration ina Romeo ngangomi udisa food on the table mna.
Okay, cool. Ndikosava udiambela nemune mara ndamba udofi it sounds fun. Udiambela ndikombe Romeo blind. That's why he feed the great white. Okay, ari ka okay uri cross wave blind ka beat. Ndakotamo nikusanga cross wave mare ninkumbuze ndichipedza nge ndonibusa richipedza ngange ndonibusa something okay arjani ka verse zwa zvino ka verse ndono nipa balai idova hadi nyana. Okay, mara ingavi hadi mandiri wajene wotoma ndiketis ngatsipinga chapa kadita zirap because I know zvino onochinja weta dzi soul na R&B na zi pop na mini unofesa ari ketis waviri ndi Mizo.
Sure.
Wavrarui yeah ndinipe munna ndinipene. Okay, mandi switchanya ndivatoni ndonipa vatoni switchanya nafo zvino I think antu chimana vatoni mara ndo switchori even interesting nyana wavuna ndi ndikodonipa vatano wavuna ndi Yellow Man ngori nonoshima naye wavutano ndi Meg J antu naye maybe I don't know shimana it is the mare care list
bafili basinda verse man. Bafili basinda verse ngo not to reava ngabati yamara bafili nato bona bakazi form zabo ngomzimu atshena uzama zviva bala badoni bless as straight in
asingotori vombo the badira dzila zitereke vafira sana dot Rikotosola. Asi. Rikotosola.
asingaba ngala hezwo ola munna ndo sipanesa naye and unazifeature njia nokutawo zabafethu ola munna wa spana ola munna honestly. So if huku yo fora nga Romeo verse una ola munna rina hit yo khone nga
Okay, cool. Tiene ni sure ona abathu ngo todoba munangisa ka bathu babili referere panda. No punguza Mike ukule nyana.
Damdelana dzavasidzana zvavudi.
Arwa Jen. Avasidzana ati na show ya rescript. That's why rikobusana nepa tree. Na list na ye tingwe scripture ndiko todda nayo zo zvino tree anepa. Aribone vazana novhura library yange vhuriyo. Vazana ndichotoma ndambulori ndingava nchidwa vapiyo ndingava sadhi vapiyo. Okay, kavazana ngori auna vanji vorepa hii. Ndidonipa navoimba navorepa like ngokona mfesa.
Sure.
So kavazana obviously rikotoma nga Rea'Nay wavili zvisina ndapo ndiworepa kandoimba mare uko jena kaverse mtu wotoma ni Rea'Nay wavili ndi Bianca wavuraru ndi Katu wavuna ndi nangani kavevo.
Okay,
lisi gumanefo ndiko zama uri ndi balance the way, so lisi gumanefo ambani uri ninga panganyi kavo vazana vararu ara niko foruna mwene tingo muambai enina chinga mupangai ninga muamba because obviously ndi dwa vanji bad but ndo nipa vararu ara ngoforuna mchene tingo mupangai ninga muamba.
Okay, avatu ndikonanga verse na chorus.
Hai nikosokonanga mti anakodojereka verse zvisina ndavori mini kabe vararu ngonanga mti pedzi anakodopanga verse Katu Bianca ndori mini woto Rea'Nay zvisina ndavori mini uko jenisa verse mtu zombra Katu dodango imba Bianca dodango imba Rea'Nay dodango repa ngoraro so nangani
itafu man
ndi hit yabe ndi hit
itafu alba jenisi bote
ridona mtsada
avatu vakona vote mavana vasho
ndizoni that's why ndonifapone ngori ndandikozviziva zori vakotoni remsa tho ndotoni remsa tho ngakole
ndiko remsa tho zvastreet inapethu avatu vakona vote and they are very talented, all of them. So if
Mara ngoshuma hit and you have to go with one.
Hey. Mara anikum be fair. Ofana ko fina chorus na huku nyana.
Masini aningotecheresa. Hey, nandemo maruku. No. Hey.
Damudizana jingil.
Munogo kana wadzifa wekeyo.
Auna ndemo.
TV.
Ndi gwindi fe.
No.
Maruku. Amagona.
Okay.
If I would take mutana to jena country ka verse na bori right, I would say I would go with Bianca because I don't know she mesa naye and she knows how to handle beating when we've been in the studio for a couple of times. I don't know she mesa Amanda and she's very talented, so I would say her because she's good. Not saying uraba ngabakoni bakona about it, but I'll take because I don't know my experience in our studio.
Imambuseri okay rekwenda wabuna Queen Popo. Queen Popo
zvinofini kutonditisa
namunga ndakotoambori una mtu ari ndosiedza Queen Popo vandu vanji venda vasiyana tuvona ngavo endo unavo Queen Popo obviously unavo zonaka ndi vatu vanji venda vasiedza ndandikotozotomupa yo remsa tho and vele yombodirema tho ngoralo. Okay, cool. dzi comment dzi khou ḓa dzi ri Bianca i khou bva kha thuso nenjelele Pru ne makonde a vha khou ri Bianca Raul J a vha khou ri mini a ri vhone zwo ri Raul J ri mini uri he munna a vha nga niti okay andikuyivona iri a vha nga niti tshithu avho vhasidzana so kona u chuza okay a khou vhona uri ni khou lenga badi ngoralo tiene already tiene already na game izwo zwino
okay
yeah ndi ready na game da Adroit nda ndi tshe ndi kha ḓi mudzudzanyela dzimbudziso nyana so hafhanoni zwine zwa khou ḓo itea Brian ne ndi zwo ri hu khou ḓo vha na part 1 na part 2 ya dzimbudziso dzine nda khou ḓo ni vhudzisa dzone so hafhanoni kha part 1 ya dzimbudziso dzine nda khou ḓo ni vhudzisa dzone ndi dzimbudziso dzine ni khou tea uri ni humbule nyana sort of like dzi riddles yeah I run this vesa ndi dzi riddles so ngele a khou pfesa zwo ri hu khou itea mini khae nga hafhanoni zwo ri hu khou itea mini zwo
Mike tsinisa volume intesa tien
mara zwine zwa khou itea ndi zwo ri
mbewana ko vhena vhonala ngo
antari bona
tiene o freeze hapa tshifhaṱiwoni unga ngari na zwino o diwe nga
Ziamba ndi rain ngafho rain
I khou na Adroit ngafho rain
I khou na o tea wana affordable tech
ni khou tea wana affordable tech ngori zwino zwono zwi khou tshimbila and avha vhana vha affordable vha vho nṱalutshedza uri Adroit na yarali zwa mubalela a vha kwame and hu itiani Adroit ngori rine roṱhe ri khou vhonala afha mara irani tiene ya dzhene khazwo
ne dina uncapped ndavha na yanga ya tshikwamani so una ya business na ya personal
mara ai khou na zwa zwino ngori kei
asireini
ariko hana mara naye ai khou na okay rene ya dzhene kha dzombo
Adroit mbudzi yanga yo thoma kei ne ndi mini tsho ḓalaho mabuli mara tshi a fara maḓi
tsho ḓalaho mabuli mara tshi a fara maḓi
yeah
hey no arifhira pshi ngo ḓiremisa ṱhoho
ndi tshipontshi
tshina mabuli
tshipontshi tshina mabuli ndi mini chinogonya chasitse
chonoita mini
chinogonya mara chivi chavuwa chotsa na ḓuvha na ḽithihi
hey ngo dzibiti dzo ḓala ṱhohoni ngo mudzimu akho vhedza na tshithu ṱhohoni
ndi miṅwaha yaṋu ma Adroit tshifhinga tshoṱhe ni tshi ḓa ni tshi fara muṅwe ṅwaha i vha i khou gonya mara na ḓuvha na ḽithihi ni nga si tsha humela murahu
okay ari phanḓa
ndi khou ḓo ni vhudzisa iṅwe heinoni vho i khou tea u vha yo laṱa ndi mini tshine tsha vha tshaṋu tshine tsha shumisesiwa nga vhathu vhanzhi besides ini like ini a ni tshi shumisesi ndi tshaṋu mara a ni tshi shumisesi tshi shumisa nga vhaṅwe vhathu besides ini muṅwe na muṅwe natsho hetsho ende muṅwe na muṅwe a tshi shumisesiwa nga vhaṅwe vhathu
eko mzero kuzani tena fire
okay ndi dzina nina dzina ḽaṋu ni to vhidzeleliwa nga vhaṅwe vhathu vha ri mchuchu ndi vhone vhane vha ḽi shumisesa zwine zwa amba uri he dziṅwe dzi riddles naho nda nga ḓa nadzo a ri to namba ri fhire ndi khou ḓo ni vhudzisa mbudziso vho dza general hu tonga no balelwa ngo to wana na nthihi ṋamusi ndini guest yashu yo thoma ine yo balelwa no to kora vho nthihi
Nikolisa team Adroit as producer.
Kanyu kuna music riddles as
Okay, so ndikodoni vusavo su zwine zwa vha general zwine zwi nga nṱoḓe ni tshi humbula maybe zwi nga ḓi ni ṱoḓa ni tshi humbula ni tshi khou to vhuisa memory but ndi zwithu zwine zwa vha general. No no vhuya na xedza kana na kwasha founu ngana na tshinya founu ngana?
a thi athu xedza u tshinya founu vhutshiloni yanga hoṱhe.
Ani athu xedza u tshinya founu vhutshiloni yanga hoṱhe?
Ndi to fhirisa.
Dzoṱhe dzine oh okay ni to fhirisa.
Sure.
So anthu vhuya na to guluviwa na gevengiwa tshiṱaratani na magiwa na dzhielwa founu or something kana u hangwa somewhere next as street ya khaini?
Na luthihi.
Okay, ndi ufhio movie une ni nga u vhona like always une ni nga si nete ngawo, like movie une ni ya u funa nga maanḓa une ni nga dzulela u vhona na u vhona na musi ni nga dovha na u vhona mba matshelo?
Hey, i tough because a movie wakale di badmini wa way out Wesley Snipes. So I mean Blade. Yeah, 1 up to 3.
Okay, that's dope.
Netambula nazorwitya nikola movie man sikumira zotonga rina na mavempe anyana yangu but it's fun.
Nditenawo na zvino ndiadarongola movie.
Okay.
Right. Iwambus okay. Ndiori ndimini chine like nani chichifuna badi niche mtuku mara zvino nichizisedzanisa kutovona unga as right kana nisokutovona unga ninga yeah nisokutovona andalinga acho kana how mistake kana yeah
ndi bora
so nanchitamba bora niche mtuku kana nachitoifuna munje?
Ndachifuna ndanotamba ndachitamba and this is wish uri ndingakule but yeah unfortunately it's unfortunately.
Mara zvino nikadita nichirara na just for exercise nyana?
I guess zvopira zvoyaka vatuku ndina vafetu vanga navori vachitamba bhora ndiyatamela uri nane ndingatojena mudavhini mara auchabva chithu ngo.
Mara at least ka FIFA niyada nyana da?
Ndiyaphamula ngo ndiyaphamula.
Niyaphamula nikoralo?
Nditophamula ngo madhora tichatamba because ndofocasa ka Spain. The last time ndo dia Romeo zimwe tingamanda odapa studio.
Okay. Nambusi aliyofetsera K ndiori like what's the worst purchase you've ever made?
Ndosozore hapa zobia nyana hapa zvi. Haufuna ndisingwenda the dinner. Nana zokufore kere nditome ndi Google na Google.
Cha de Kurane kana cha de Tugu.
West
like zvisina ndava chinenza kutopforiya ezvulani zvazoyesa chipira chijia cup chijia trophy.
I wouldn't say chingava chojia trophy but ndikotizamoteka but everything that's inside here I don't think there's any worse. Not
necessarily music equipment or anything, but just in general, the worst thing purchase you've ever made.
Okay. This thing in a USB. So when you plug it, nichi plugger in some nice, beautiful lights and all those stuff. Ne?
Okay.
So I bought it. Ish gon takazane falanda kuirenga on until jisuka yanda tichomo ishibisada wonori. This was the most useless thing I've bought in my life.
Okay, cool. So I think it go pedzisa chipinga chino ridiaba. Marro pesange indira. Mbudziso ikobva kagareth chikosi ngange uri pfungwa ila ya dziproducer yori vaita vachijena tsimuni vatodoka miroho ya vathu ye vasitani vaitsani ngapo ndi zwone na
zvo ufirita mini
upfini kojena tsimuni veni vadziproducer eyo pfungwa ndiyone naone ngapo ikoitia na yori ni jene dzitsimuni dza vathu ngori ni dziproducer khayo ndo iposa hapo ka screen.
Sure. I don't know about others, but I don't mix business with pleasure unless if ndiswi zvina vori vathu votobva votenderana khazvo, not to ri uthome uvia athome rite hezwi kone vha na hezwi. I don't do that.
But
Yeah,
so nga maniga anozita nga dziproducer dzinozita.
Yeah, ndinotopfa nga lithihi feel
Dali now.
ndichavodiwa.
Ai marukufi ya magonani mafi maruku magonani
Mara tisi no beoni ndowani hapo Johannesburg kana gae ndowani hapo ndotovereriwa studio.
Okay, so Arpire, mwambuse kubaka KGR the junior, KGR zonopinduliwa, mbuso ya nena kwebudzisa KGR yonopinduliwa, akubisa zwa Mizo, yonopinduliwa already, ya vatu bomu budzori zonopira. Okay, so ndandori rigofedza kana rafedza zvino mare, ridotamba lwimbo
Naimwepa ndo nyori ndipirisa na nne for the record. Ufitiene oya jena garden sa producana. Not Jenny Garden sa producer. No, I do not mix business with pleasure.
Story 30 I don't want to do, but it's fun. So ndo dotamba lwimbo know your love narukyo related to tamba I think like a stand on tamba know your family. Okay, know your family. Okay, actually atamba lwimbo ndidobya ndichinibusa hesu zofedzisera zvene zvabatsina zofedzisera artome nga ramsini na Mizo. Okay, cool, koro.
What happened to the love we share? What happened to blood is thicker than water? I don't trust nobody, they don't trust me. I fear for my life, they want my soul. I can't really take this no more, I can't really do it no more. I can't even call somebody, cause they trust no more. Living in broken hearts, broken homes, family turn to strangers. I hate you when you hate me. I guess what I stick a damn blind now. What happened to the love we share? I don't trust nobody. What happened to the promises you've made? I don't trust nobody. I don't trust nobody. I don't trust nobody. I don't trust nobody. Not your family. Not your family. Not your family. Not your family. I don't trust nobody. They all pretend. I fear for my life. They want my soul. Ili yanga bosia yo baisa. Tobona ndibotonga dia baisa. Abampina rufuno remenda bane. Ndabashuma nde muhoro baba maane. Kesho ndo sarandi ndote. Ushumisi wane chifinga toke. Atitatemba mutu shangolote. No rivali na boninga sibakone. Hoite ya mi, hokake ya mi. Koda mnanga wera bopa hoite ya mi. Peti ndoba buru pen. Da peta likola ka buru pen. What happened to the love we share? I don't trust nobody. What happened to the promises you've made? I don't trust nobody. I don't trust I don't trust nobody. I don't trust not your family, not your family, not your family, not your family. I don't trust nobody. I don't trust I don't trust nobody. I don't trust not your family, not your family, not your family, not your family.
Let's get everybody to Rea'Nay
Yeah, yeah, it's your boy Errol J.
Yo, this is Romeo the Great White.
Your boy about 28K, the B-Town
Yo,
man.
what's poppin', man? It's your boy Big Robs, and you watching Van Rap Late.
Van Rap Late Night Show.
Late Night Show.
It's Van Rap Late Night Show.
Okay, cool. Hey, niadiva watu vatakaza. And then yesu zvene zvakubuswa pa Adroit ndandikozumbura ndikuzumbura diva na duvuri. Nane ndikotoda wana show yanga mari yanga ingasive Van Rap Late Night Show. Idotova show maybe amaveve ine nanevo ndatobudzisiwapo because nane ana muthu diva ngane so ndikotoda kuti at least nane vadive story zvanga zvotori zvabva gai zvagai ndatoma gaiti yana. Okay, ndidowana muthu maybe ndidowana Nema atodzira pasi nane writer heyo interview ngoraro. Okay, ngori ikubva pakapru nemakonde iri ngele naini ngototova guest naye kana naini nirifiritsevo humwe nopfanina dziauya nyana. Okay, ndari kutozondibusanga nga crosswave. So heli dzina ndolipfesa badi like sarunubusanga indira mara dombuzori ndingava ndolipfesa gai kana ndolibonesa gai ndimwe mbusene ati dizori ihani but
ndinga ni clarify nyana na
Adroit.
Okay.
Tango ndigari mini tango nimuonesa tango ndikopera status kana ka Facebook.
Zvakare. Okay, tiene ribuzeni ngati tiene udodana zvinopfara.
Okay.
Tiene.
Oh, zvakapfara.
Recently, I've worked on a song where I was featured. Rendando featured Ro producer Wangai. Big Stone, Ro Troy Deeper. Yeah, that's when Endam Diva on it, and then Rambo the link up Ratromo u Amba. So
okay,
yeah,
cool. So like I said, at a dictionary, yeah, Van Rap for nothing, but Necros Wavy, Dikom Diva man, at these were all producer artists DPO before link and ending among the Adroit, but Nimbo Zawe. Kana dziavo ziproducer ndatitumufandasa tumfako akalwimbo up until recently zvino ngomfesa ndasa kofa kana ubona hongofi cross wave ngona mfesa ngapanda ngene ndira so ndakuzama mbulori dombudza vatu vene onova producer so to divert kasho mare ndikotoda to diva something yana fast just to ndi for my own knowledge as to vesana na mini
nati to ndas kare richidivana but already but ndivapiwa vaproducer avo I don't really know that much.
Okay, okay, arpir Sadek alukuringele mbudziso dzanga tidivizori Sadek alumbudziso dzawo dziga twamba ngo ndosedza hothe ati kudziwana mbudziso dza Sadek alu Adroit vatu vakutoda ni vani kwama hani kana vani wanisa hani naone ni namba nirubudze catalog yanu yakuchajere obviously zvino apano ni vado yakauolo vasedza uri zvithu zvanu zvikuchimira nga ndira ade dzi collabo dzi beat dzi feature mini zvote ngene ndira
hey zvinova tough madhuva unozokoncha zinomboro man hey
dziko kuya nyana mara nika business so unfortunately dzika didonivera nyana
yeah nekanje ndidzoresa ka WhatsApp blind so muthu anga ndirecha ka WhatsApp na ka phone call ndina phone mbiri na vore inoni nda ishumisa for business idzura on so which is 071 3090 is the number phone is now it's only
Not the
owned
number.
by
No,
me.
no, no, it's 071.
071
Mm.
30
Mm.
90
Mm.
478.
Okay, cool.
So
ndakuti ndivavhecheredzo nefocus screen idziyo nezvo zvino.
yeah.
Okay, cool.
So WhatsApp and call nas message message. That's the business number that I use. So you can find me there. Ka Facebook undi Adroit Beats Lead Gang. Instagram it's Adroit Beats _ SA, and then Twitter show too much, but it's Adroit Beats _ SA, and then YouTube you can search Lead Gang Films Short It. That's where I everything about music videos and whatever. Yeah, and then yeah, mitengo iko gonyo skare, so people must buy beats now before ichigonya. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So imwe kedzi ya the junior ukutobvumwela uri vabudzeni uri ni dana zviḽiwa zwinonga zwezvo utomwela ngoenendi uri vabudzeni uri ni da na zwiḽiwa zvanu utonga ri kuamba vhathu vana da studio hapa kana
as a restaurant tivano the studio.
Okay, so imwe mbuso ke ya potent igori so Adroit arali ndiko ṱoḓa renga biti kaini mara isina tag ningantengisela na none zvichimbira nga nḓila ḓe
yo isina tag ya miyanga ya Adroit beat. Oyo muthu unyongo swika phanḓa ri mini ndiye no itaho beat.
mbuso yo deralo ni songo ri
nangotori yeah heyo mbudziso i valid buddy
nga maanḓa nane ndi nga expand
because dzi hone dzi producer nnzhi dza madzina ane ri a dzi ḓivha zori dzo producer dzi nyimbo tag dzadzo ri a dzi ḓivha mara dzi hone dzi nyimbo dzine vha vho producera dziṅwe dzi artist vho renga exclusive vho renga exclusive rights to the beat ri a kona u zwi pfha zwo pfhi sa example ri a ḓo ḓi zwi pfha zwo pfhi Metro Beats o producer luimbo lwa Travis Scott mara a ri nga ḓo pfha tag ya Metro Beats ya Metro Boomin kha luimbo lwa Travis Scott. So label ya ḓivha u swikelela hone i vha yo badela exclusive rights for heyo beat. So kha Adroit hoyo muthu u khou ṱoḓa u ḓivha zwori izwi nahone zwavhuḓi mbuso nda nga i restructure ndi uri
tien mbuso ikori arali beat isina tag ni nga murengisela na ke yo to raro one nga nḓila ḓe u itiyani
zamba uri vha khou renga exclusive rights ya beat.
Okay, cool. That's it. Okay.
No, we are not rengisela dziṅwe dzi artist exclusive rights.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. So imwe mbuso ke yo pesa ndiko to vhusa ngori avhanna vha ri ati khou vhudzisa mbuso dzavho iri ni dilani na muthu ene u khou ṱoḓa beat fast oto ya bangene nḓila kombela vhudziselwa kha Adroit uri u handlisa hani artist dzino khou ṱoḓa beat dzino khou ṱoḓa I'm sure ndi beat dzino khou ṱoḓa beat fast
hezwo ndi a zwiendela a zwi mphi pressure arali muthu o badela, so it depends uri anga si nyage beat fast a songo badela. If you want that fast beat you pay and then we receive at the same day.
Okay, cool. I think zwo pfala so ri khou tamba luimbo lwa u fhedzisela unless tiene tshena maṅwe
nṋe thi tshena maṅwe a ḓo tou vha anga na Adroit Beats ri tshi ita podcast
ndi zwone okay, cool. So Know Your Love o feature Bianca ri tshi vhuya ri khou vhuya ra ḓa ra nyonesa ra vha ro ṱuwa ngei nḓila na Adroit ḓo vha khou nwa maḓi nga hangeini.
Let's get everybody to Rea'Nay TV.
It's your boy Adroit.
Yo, this is Romeo the Great White.
Your boy Watoni aka the B-Town
Yo, what's poppin', man? It's your boy Big Robs, and you watching Van Rap Late
Night Show.
Late Night Show.
I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it.
so hard, trying not to fuck around, yeah. See, everything we going through is part of life. Don't you worry, baby, you know that I got you back. Cause everything I say's no lie, and I mean it when I say I got you. Cause you're my everything and everything that I ever want. Really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I know your love. I know your love. I know your love. Oh, I know your love. I am so.
I really like what you've done to me. I can't explain it. I am so into you. Wish I could tell you how I feel. Wish I could show you what I can. Yeah. Cause no one loves you like I do. True, that you just wanna play me. True, that I'm the only picture you.
I really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I know your love. I know your love. I know your love. Oh, I know your love.
It's Venrap Late Night Show. Bana Zero Wafara na hela out ya Chilamba.
Okay, cool. Robuya Futi, Rimbo, Lupi, Know Your Love, officer Bianca. Yeah, okay, cool. Ndachendo muta, sorry, Adroit, TNA, tingo to muta, or you auto the muta. Okay, cool. So I think Roskaba Gumoni, a show, noni, Rigolibu Ngamanda Adroit, no jet finger channel, Ngamanda sa, na data zanu. Ori niwe na Rea'Nay kasho ino namsi ndi zinji zine batu banji basa zidibi ngaini wabos diva ndi banji bamwe bane basa ni divi zino baboni diva ngamanda ndi ndandi interested ngamanda ka story cha Mizo chachi interesting ngamanda isile chitori I'm sure not banji bado tori baibone kana batu idozo of the bafe story cha Mizo ya bamwe bakusimbisura studio ni chabudi ngamanda ai okay arro firise mbuso ngori iko daka eno nini ndinu meni rikono barutuwa ikori arali uko to detelwa remake ya imwe beat international price ifana na beat nena koto itoma ngaini monde na
Yeah, Jeffana, because I feel like it's the same thing. Because nara rokufinda go remake a beat at least to remake everything because jabora zvibera na creativity so it's better ujezi nemtanga zvone zvezvo zvitukutuku and then uzvitanganise uzvichange pala and as artists nazo sometimes as unyako remake a beat shout out to Chris Bang. Ever since I started with him, we've never remaked anything. We have started everything from scratch, from EP or Tiamadu, even Romeo, Ika's projects are where we have. I think maybe it was back in 0 but not on a track and tea in Aborigangaria, rather remake. But we start them from scratch. Nazimu the honest never DJ never from scratch.
Okay, cool. I think ndizone sazona ziyamba kuliwa no jesinga chano na data zango raro utongari vudoba usiku tien.
Yeah man, nazona ndingamba zona ndizori bathu ari support music wa Adroit is out there and big shout out to you rekodiwa na video zione out there. Big shout out to you bro. Una bathu banji bane ba look up to in blind na nne ndi hapa noni I look up to you everything chine ni hapa nichiko chiita like young inspire blind you are practically doing everything chine ndi so ndando disettlor ndiko todo chitazo itazone so ndichibona ini so nichiko kono zveledza na nne ndi hapa motivated and inspired and I'm sure that even nabo bathu bane baone out there bane bani diva bane bakunitalera baba inspired like uba na label yang. First of all and foremost, like nita mzika wanu wote waferera, and then ndikubona zori like company yanu iko brancha into the visuals as well. So zinezo kwamba in other words niko rana like a media house. Ndizo tu zinezo ndi stu zwabudi ngamanda. Riko ndiko nitamera mashudu personally. Kasu zote zine nakuita like riko zibona out there, man. And thanks so much
on behalf of the show.
On behalf of the show. Utonga show itonanga zori ndizifio zine ya dibadekana nazo zinwambio. Mara anyway.
Rodi badekanya nazo ezo.
Mara anyways, man, rikoribuwa ngamanda urinodine chipinga chanu na dafa noni. Vatu banji bane Adroit abamdivi. Please go check him out. Ndimtwane. He is a very good person. Mzika wawe unaoita, everything is good. Everything is out there. Nyeni check it out mawana.
Yeah,
Adroit my professor.
Zvino ngazviamba ndikatorera ndikoribuwa chipinga chanampa chone man, like namsiri chipedza vari kupedza usipanai kandojamba ndiri ndipese ube cleaning apa studio ndijene madhini uri so ndiona chipinga, so it was very important to me uri ndive oneka show, so ndikoribuwa badi for chipinga ndochiwana. Ndikanga rina zimwe artist azite chipinga zizwana ei show ikoziva show vangava vakonyadza because azvikuitwa so zvine ndakatamba ndingatori zifene aziri tikeze aziri support azirenge music wavo Rea'Nay, especially right now rika this COVID-19 situation. The artist most of all of us, we are not eating, so ngandira zotori stream music at least that is a music online, which is a good thing. Just around to the eliminate download beats zvino arinche tukobora just download beats unazi producer ndinjiti yanuone ndione everybody not sure about what they can, but there's a lot of producers out there. Please go use their beats, be original, register your music, follow all the protocols. That's where we're gonna start making money. Gold black and mini zvote zvinari there. So vachipinga navatona vari vakokomenta vachiko mbuziso voja chipinga chavo vavona na show, so nendo kutakana bad, especially roclearana kungeliya ndikuriwa Comzero original investigator umuna wa-investigator dziyavuya sapa
zva serious. Okay, cool. I think rofedza chimwe chiri chori niye ka timeline yaAdroit obvisa video tongari zvino una mbiri, imwe ibvisa last week, imwe ibvisa namosi. Niye nicheke dzi video ngoraro
It's FanRap Late Night Show. Vana zero wafara na hila auti ya chiramba.
I've been battered and bruised. This a time running at couldn't believe that I made it. This is my recovery. Better days are about to follow me forever. I'm building a better me. This is my recovery. Ain't no greatness without some misery. I'm building a better me. This is my recovery.
I used to tell myself I know the pains and the struggle, till the day I had to struggle fighting for my life. Ain't there call my mama praying, please God don't take him. Hit my hood, they were waiting for my funeral. They were hoping and praying for my downfall. I was losing breath, they were catching feelings. All the pains when a car crashed, broken glasses dripping through my face. I saw my life flash in front of me. God is great. I'm the living proof, they wanna see me by the grave. I'm the testimony, so they hate it when I preach. I can never thank God for bringing back my life. That's why I wake up in the morning screaming God is great. I made myself my own boss, now I call the shots. I keep my circle small, I don't wanna count the favors. It's black on black, I'm back on track, I'm feeling so godly. God is great.
I've been battered and bruised. This a time running at
I made it.
Couldn't believe that I made it. This is my recovery.
about to follow me forever. I'm building a better man. This is my recovery. Ain't no greatness without some misery.
Okay, cool. How to start with? Ndio nditome ndinisiye nyana. Viwo no salao. Zonopeti kezu. Una competition inoko una data 20 gig. Easy yani kaulanga zvino ndeiwana details kana inkomeka WhatsApp lero totuma namosi usika Friday azonda bono jina nga Friday nga machero because Rea'Nay ndachinga jina nga Friday nga machero ni down but musundi rini the winner na show cause the money chi jina ele the most on chichimbira mara sho de bazo meta na zwino zwine radaro ko sedza zwono re okay oyu winana oyu ako winana but na posta eli na chance chinji chorini ni wina ngoraro namse ara na sherela flyer na ka story chane ngodo wina ngo indo winesa 20 gig go to the tree kaini usine lozo fi 0 20 gig yange guy kana borisa ka newspaper kama koya auna so anyway nalo tuwa ndakoro ntime ndi muzezwezo ndotuwa
It's FanRap Late Night Show. Vana 0 wafara na hela out ya chiramba.